Well, as you all know, yesterday the CDC reversed its recommendations on masks, saying that we should mask up indoors once again in places where COVID-19 is surging, regardless of whether or not you've had the vaccine.
And today, businesses are reacting to the new guidance. Some are changing their policies because of it. Fox 10's Jennifer Martinez joins us live with more on this. Jenny.
Well, here at the Children's Museum, once again, they will be requiring masks for anyone going through those doors. But I did speak to a restaurant owner over in Cave Creek, and he says that he's leaving that decision up to the customers. The Phoenix Children's Museum says it has been following CDC guidelines since the beginning of the pandemic. When masks weren't recommended, they followed that guidance and did not require guests to wear them. But now that the CDC is changing its recommendations, the museum is now requiring all visitors ages 2 and over to mask up. They say the policy will be strictly enforced and visitors may be asked to leave if they don't comply.
More than half of our visitors are between the ages of 0 and 10. So it's exceptionally important for us to make sure that we're keeping the health and welfare of our youngest visitors in mind. So with these children not being able to be vaccinated, we are just very cognizant of making sure that that we're making things as safe as we can.
While the museum is opting to bring back mask wearing, the Buffalo Chip Saloon in Cave Creek is not. Saloon owner Larry Wendt says he firmly believes in following the law, but mask wearing is not a law, just a recommendation.
It's not a law. I'm not going to exceed it. We have been through a lot with COVID, and it hasn't been the illness, it's been the side effects. You know, the decrease in business, the loss of staff financially. So I firmly believe that if people want to come in, and we're predominantly an outdoor venue, come on in, feel safe. We haven't had reported cases here.
Now, keep in mind that there is a new state law here in Arizona that prohibits cities and schools from requiring masks or vaccinations. Reporting live tonight, I'm Jennifer Martinez with Fox 10 News.